Viewers, breaking news coming in ahead of MVA's Satyachar Morcha. MVA's protest march has been denied permission. Mumbai police basically refused not for the rally. MVA planned the protest, remember, over the voter list. Top MVA leader were planning to lead the march today. Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, Raj, many others were going to march together. Police is warned of action if this march proceeds. So that's the latest coming in. Richa continues to be live with us. Richa, the MVA's proposed protest march against the, as they claim, alleged irregularities in the voter list, that has been denied permissions by the Mumbai police. What happens next?
Well, last week we saw how the opposition party leaders, the chiefs of all leaders, met with the Commissioner of Police of Mumbai, and after that they were expecting permission for today's march, and they have been denied any permission of that sort. And after that also the parties are firm that they will conduct such march, and the police has already clarified that if the march is taken place, similar action will be taken on those who are being part of this march. We will definitely see big action today, because the parties, especially people from the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, will be seen in really big numbers, as Raj Thackeray has requested all the party workers to be present, and all other opposition parties have also conveyed their message to the party workers to be present and come in very large scale. We will definitely see people coming from across Maharashtra, across Mumbai to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj terminus, where the big stage is built for the same. And even though the permission is denied from the Mumbai police, the traffic police, the leaders from the opposition are firm that they will continue doing such protests. And today this march is called as Satyachar Morcha, a truth march, where the opposition parties claim that they will expose the work of Election Commission of India and how there have been vote chori in the previous elections. And for the coming municipal elections, this entire protest is targeted, and the parties are saying that we are helping the people wake up and understand how vote chori takes place. Last week also we saw how the Shiv Sena UBT MLA Aditya Thackeray made a presentation on particularly his constituency, how 48 voters from one house were given voting IDs, and people don't live there. Similar kinds of examples will be shared today, and people from all the opposition parties will be participating, including Shiv Sena UBT, NCP SP, the Congress party, as well as Maharashtra Navnirman Sena, which is not yet part of Mahavikas Aghadi, but how we are seeing Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray coming together, especially targeting the municipal corporation elections. Now today, even though the permission is denied, they do not have any formal permission for the protest. People will be coming in 1,000 numbers around the Azad Maidan. And last month we saw how the Maratha reservation protest took place on the particular location where the today's march is expected to be taken place. How Maratha reservation protest was the reason for major disruption in the South Mumbai, how all the roads were blocked, and after which the Bombay High Court had to issue notices to the authorities, the government, as well as the Mumbai police, traffic police, and now they are being cautious that similar kind of situation does not occur again. And today is Saturday, we will comparatively see less crowd coming to offices on that particular location. But despite not getting any formal permission, the parties are firm that they will conduct a protest, and they will bring the facts according to them, which are of vote chori against Election Commission of India.
Right, and what are we expecting, during the course of the day today? Richa, if I could ask you just one more question before I let you go. The opposition, the MVA, basically planning to go ahead with the march, correct?
Right, they are firm that the protest will take place no matter what, no matter if the police comes and stops them. If the police continues to arrest some of the leaders, we will see action happening. We will see people coming from all the parties getting
So
violent.
permission or not, MVA says we're going to go ahead with the rally. Rucha, thank you for joining us with all these details.